Morning guys. I'm heading off to the club meeting today, but before we do that, I'm meeting Geoff on his Suzuki and we're going to ride in together. So should hopefully get some good shots of his new water buffalo now that it's back on the road again.
Yeah, they're working on something, but they've taken up all the parking.
Did you know that before?
Well, I knew it was like that.
Oh my God, it's here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you follow?
No, I went.
He followed me.
Did you breathe?
Yeah, I could breathe because I was in front.
I was wondering if it puts much stuff.
It does. The internals are melted. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Maybe we're just in a quiet place. Let's try it.
Let me just try then, yeah. Yeah, it's tiptoe.
Yeah, but you're okay.
Yeah. I am ready. I will follow you then, okay, Geoff?
Fire your Norton up.
Yes.
I just have to jump on and go.
Yes. Oh, and then you can show me how to start that with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then just turn the key on.
Yep. Clutch in.
Start button.
This is it here.
Yep.
my gosh.
That's it.
Excellent. Really good.
Isn't that?
Oh, it's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, really very enjoyable ride.
Yeah, it's quite a pleasant ride. Yeah, I started to enjoy riding it.
Yeah, you're super high up, aren't you? Like an SUV,
Yeah,
aren't you?
yeah.
That looks like it's on the ground when I look at it.
Yeah, and the riding position is very different.
Yeah,
When I first took off, I was trying to...
Your legs were so bent.
Yeah.
It's extremely smooth, isn't it? And really enjoyable. I enjoyed that very much, Geoff. Yeah. Yeah, I never put my feet down from when we set off to right there. Then it is tall for me, little shorty.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm assuming you could do stuff with the springs or different size wheels or something.
Bikes of that era did get very tall, and people seem to tolerate it. Yeah.
You feel it, don't you? You feel like you're up quite high on it. You know, and the bars are high as well, of course, and so there's definitely a different vibe, and the thin grips as well is different. So, but it's
totally
very responsive. It chugs a bit, doesn't it, when you're in, like, I probably just didn't pick the right gear, but as soon as you open it up and there's load, it's smooth
well,
as anything.
That's a sort of a two-stroke characteristic.
Yeah.
As they do that at slow throttle settings, they don't run. They're two strokes.
No.
That's what they do. So you kind of have to work your gears and revs to deal with that. But yeah, once you give it a little gas, it
was fun. And then those corners, they were good. I mean, you got to work a corner, haven't you, on it? It's just, I felt myself leaning in and down onto the corner. So, really enjoyable.
I don't think it's a bike you probably wouldn't have much fun on a really tight, twisty road.
No.
But out cruising around, this is
smooth as silk.
Yeah.
Lovely and smooth.
You're up there high, good, comfortable ride.
It's like on a bus. It's very nice, very enjoyable, and of course it's super quiet, so it's very pleasant on your ears, and then you get a little wing, just a little bit. I went up to about 4,000. That's
you can
all.
feel it starting to pull.
There was miles more. I just out of respect of a new engine and yourself, of course, I don't want to do anything like that. That'll come.
I'm of the theory, even with a new engine, you don't have to baby them. You just don't thrash it. So occasional bursts of full throttle, or and keep the revs down. I wouldn't redline it at full throttle. But I've tried it out. Go out on a quiet road, because I can take it out around Butteville and St. Paul, and there's some really quiet roads there.
It was terrific.
And you can set the throttle, at low revs. You set the throttle. And it pulls pretty well at low revs, but you can feel it starting to build up as the revs come in. About 3,000, it starts to pull pretty well.
Really?
And then, of course, it just keeps pulling harder and harder and harder.
It's great. It's really cool. I mean, to think what it was like just a few weeks ago in boxes on your bench, and now here, riding to the club. It's a fair distance, isn't it, over there? So. Yeah,
I don't know how many. Well, I set the trip meter to 0 when I first started it up. So.
117.
So it's done 117
good.
miles.